Hello everyone, we are going to make kale tikki or you can say kale cutlets today. So we have got around 60 gram of grated paneer, cottage cheese. We have got 2 medium-sized grated potatoes, 4 spoon of corn flour, some oil to brush, kale, black chili powder, red chili powder and salt. So let's start. I will put some kale into it and I will make sure that it all gets kneaded nicely. I will put the kale slowly, so I'm not going to put everything together. So I'm going to put some salt according to taste. It's up to you how much you want to put according to your taste. And then green chili, some black chili powder. Again, it's optional, whatever you want to, according to your size. I will put some, I think I will just only put 2.5 corn flour. Okay, I'm going to, the flour is ready now. You can see the mixture. And I'm going to brush the plate first so that it doesn't stick. And I'm also going to put some oil in my hands and I rub it so that I can easily give the shape. So I'm going to give them a round shape. It's up to you which shape you want to give. Okay, so I've given this round shape to one of these and now I'm going to give shape to the rest of the mixture. Okay, so I got these 4 ready now, so I'm going to put them on a hot skillet. Okay, so I've applied some oil on the hot non-stick pan. I'm going to adjust the heat. First tikki goes in here. Here goes the second one. I also have an air fryer and I'm going to put rest in the air fryer. So let me show you now. Goes the tikkis in the air fryer and now I'm going to heat them in the preheated air fryer for almost 15 minutes. So I'm applying a wee bit oil, otherwise they might taste too dry. Cutlets are ready and I've used the paper towel to soak the extra oil. Also we didn't have a lot of oil, but it's still, you can see it's soaking the oil, so just to make sure it's very healthy. Other ones are still getting ready. The cutlets are finally ready. These 2 are from the air fryer and these 2 are from the skillet. So air fryer one looks more beautiful, but they taste very good and they both taste very healthy. So thank you for watching.